Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that cat.
OJ.
Baba.
See, look after him.
Okay.
You need anything?
Just get me cold beer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Young man, how old are you? 28. Why do you ask? Look, you can do a lot with 50 million naira. Just let me go and the world will be yours to take. You see, you can actually do a lot. You have beautiful women, you can travel around, go to interesting sites around the world. You go to America, visit Michael Jackson's home, Disney.
Oga, keep quiet. To talk, no, you know they tire you. You to talk.
What I'm trying to say is that with 50 million, honestly, you can do a lot. A lot. I add another 10.
Not interested.
Another 10.
Oga, one more word. One more word. I will scatter your belly all over this room. Waiting they walk you. Waiting do yourself. Waiting.
Okute, for 50M, I go betray my papa join. Last chance to join our camp, make we share the money together.
In this business, it is loyalty first.
Loyalty, you there?
I didn't know what else to do, but I managed to escape.
It's good to come here. Part of venture you went to your home. It would have been a different kettle of fish.
You're speaking a parable. What are you getting at? I mean, I am confused. Is something wrong?
Do you recall the night of Draka sacrifice?
The sacrifice of the twins?
It's done. Today, your Draka has been received. Your power wealth, and influence have been guaranteed.
Thank you, Grandmaster.
One more task for you to accomplish. Lord Drame instructs that one of the twins must be caged in a secret chamber in your house. And on no account must the souls be allowed to unite.
Grandmaster, if they do, what will happen?
Armageddon will be unleashed.
What has the Draka sacrifice got to do with my house or presence here right now?
As we are speaking now, the two souls are having terrestrial activities in your house.
Impossible. How can that happen? How could she escape the grave? She's supposed to have transited a long time ago.
Twins are known to have a very strong bond. And that is why we separated them. That prompted my question. How did the second soul know your house?
Grandmaster, what do I do? How do I salvage the situation?
A lot of water has passed under the bridge. And there is a thin line between you and your death. There is only one way. You must stop her soul from living because she seeks liberation from your grip.
That must not happen, Grandmaster. I am ready to do anything to save my life and to make sure that her soul does not take flight.
We must make haste.
Are we not there yet?
We're almost there, my daughter. Unless you want to rest your legs. We'll continue in the next 1 or 2 hours.
No way my life is on a balance. Uncle, I have nothing to lose. Let's keep going. We only live once.
You're right. There's no more time. Let's continue.
Failed.
What do you mean failed? I'm asking you, what do you mean failed?
Calm down. Everything is going to work out well.
How? How? When? This is the nonsense you've been telling me. How will everything work out? All my family members are dead. I have just one sister left. If you are me, will you calm down? What are you saying?
Please, you see you. Now you cause this problem. So we did this as JJ. You go come out, go carry wetin I no know enter this house. Now see problem when you don't put us inside. Abeg, anything wey they do am fast o. Any solution wey I won't bring now, they do am fast because very soon oga go soon enter here and nothing will stop that to stop it. Do am now.
Will you keep quiet? You talk too much. I will start up something to bring them down. A plan that will bring them down.
Chairman, abeg, anything wey you wan do am make e carry im ghost gear comot for this house fast. Abeg, time no dey.
Yes, I heard. Pastor, go and check who's on the gate.
You say wetin? Before push me, they talk am. Any small thing na me. Sacrificial lamb, small thing, you go just carry me, they don't put for front line. Shut up. I know they go anywhere. I know they come up for here.
Pastor, stop this thing now. Go and check who's at the gate. Make sure nobody comes in.
Okay, what if not? What if not, Gabi, that?
This face? I am Phil. This is my partner and colleague, Corporal John. Can we come inside the compound?
What do we do? They're policemen. Maybe my Oga told them to come and arrest me. It's obvious my guy Okute failed.
Then I will send them to their early graves.
Chief Akwibe called me earlier and asked me to come see him in his residence. I'm sure he's very annoyed now that I came very late. Is he in?
Officer, you know the house.
In that case, we'll go in and wait for him. Corporal, come with me. Please make the way.
They're coming in.
Nyakantum, Ntuka, Iyakantum, Ntuka, Iyakantum.
Hello? Right away.
What is this?
The area commander requests that we come to the station immediately for briefing. The Assistant Inspector General of Police Zone 13 came for an unscheduled meeting with us, and we have to be there for the briefing. Okay, then. Young man, I'll be going now. Tell your boss I came. We'll be coming back later. Is that okay? Okay. It's all right. Let's go.
They're leaving.
Wise one, I still don't understand your words. I came to inquire why I had to lose my younger brother and my mother in the space of 4 days. I can't even give account of the whereabouts of my elder brother. His phone is not connecting. I doubt if he's still alive.
Wise one. They said a toad does not run in daylight for nothing. Either it's pursuing something or something is pursuing it. We are lost and confused in all this calamity that has befallen our family. Now listen. The question to be asked is how to save your niece from death. Because the people that took the life of her late mother is after her. They want her dead.
Wise one, please. Please. I don't want to die. I have not done any wrong to any man. Please save me, wise one, please.
See, nobody is saying anything about doing wrong or not. It is only that what is eating the mango is inside the mango. Wise one, you still speak in parables. Break it in a simpler language that you can understand. Abarakata. Now listen. Her supposed missing brother suddenly decided to dance the dance of Surugede. Without knowing that the dance of Surugede is never the dance of men, but spirits. His quest for wealth made him. He sold all the souls of his family members to the devil, including her. And you know what that means. In few hours, she will join her ancestors.
No, 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 no.
Jessica, you have to make up your mind. He's getting closer. I'm not living without you. Don't you get it? There's no way I'm losing this chance of setting your soul free from his grip. Stop trying to put me off track because it won't work. You need to give in to his demands and avoid all these protocols. Look, Annie, we need to hang on for some hours. He's bound to break. He is human. Look, we must wait him out. Look, as soon as his last relative dies, he becomes weak and then we'll deal with this. This is fruitless. This man will never let me out of his grip. Don't you get it? I am his pawn. The fortress is strong. Look, we need a transport. A body we can possess. As soon as we're out of here, we let him go. Or better still, continue to live in his body. Nah. I hate being a man. I think I have an idea.
Oga, see time. See time. Take a look at the clock. See time. See how long you spent here. You've not been able to achieve anything. No solution. Huh? If it's your plan for my entire family to be wiped out, tell me to my face.
Do not blame me. Do not heap blames on me. Making money is not like having a walk on a Krishna.
Of course I know it's not child's play. I know that making money is not easy. That's why not everybody in the world has money. If it was easy, everybody would go. It's not easy. All going to happen a good man. I know. That's why I came to you. You should have told me the truth. You should have told me that this whole thing was just total rubbish. I would not work. Wasting my whole time.
I never sent you to take a spirit home. You did it with your eyes open.
I have a problem with you, honestly. As a native doctor, you talk too much. You talk too much. Other native doctors will just keep quiet and do the work that they're supposed to do. You just keep talking. First of all, you started singing from the gates. And what are you doing? Can you just do your work? Concentrate. Do this thing you are doing in Yakuto or whatever. Bring down this spirit. Undress the spirit. Let me sleep with that and do what I'm supposed to do. If it's not what? He gave me another girl. I'm running out of time.
Louis, son of Okafor. The cure to success is to face it head on, get hold of it, and make use of it. I leave you to your fate.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Fate kill you there. You hear me? Fate kill you there. Come and move. Pass this gate, pass this door. Let me see you. You think I'm a fool? You think I'm a fool? Pass here. Let me see where you pass and leave.
Louis, son of Okafor. The Nabrokanan Lili. Chidobi Gaka.
What's your decision?
You are ready?
Yes, Grandmaster.
It is imperative that you stick to the rule. From this temple, you must walk home barefooted. You must not worry yourself about fatigue because you have already been fortified. For whatever reason, do not look back. You must not drink any water or eat any food. No conversation or any forms of pleasantries with anybody. Focus on getting to your home. When you get to the gate of your house, make sure you complete the circle of fire. Take this calabash, drop it at the center of your house. Her soul will be entrapped again, this time around, forever.
Take this. Wear it immediately you get to your destination. It will serve as a shield to you against the Queen of Death, as she is warming up to harvest your soul. Go straight and meet your brother.
My brother? I already told you his phone is not connected. I can't get through to him. Please, wise one, my legs are weary. Is there no other way?
This is your cross. It is fate that every mortal bear their own cross. Like a good man. And as for your brother, he is alive and well.
Wise one, if he is well, where then can we find him?
I only know his house address. I don't know any other place.
Afuekwa de wiche. Akana mmadụ ade ekwu mmụọ na mmadụ abụrụ iji n'ofu ọsa. Akube's house. Go to Akube's house. Make it fast, because you may not separate the black goat from darkness. One more thing. Have this. This is egg of life from the innermost chambers of the ancient immortal. When you get to Akube's house, break it in front of your brother. With that, you have exchanged your life with that of your brother.
How? That means killing my brother.
That is the only option.
No, I don't want to kill him. I just want to save us both, please. You can't do this, please, Uncle. Uncle, tell him to do something. I want to save my brother. I don't want to kill him, please.
Awara. Mola mother.
Your sister Chinwe is on her way to this place. With her is a potent charm, which she will use to exchange her life for yours.
That's not possible.
Shock separator. You didn't expect her to fold her arms after losing 2 loved ones in a space of 4 days. She has uncovered your little secrets. She is coming to blow it in your face. Let's see. I'm long dead. Yes, I'm long dead. I only came to this world to help my sister transit into the extraterrestrial. In few hours, your sister either arrives here alive or she dies. And then you join her. This world is such a beautiful place to die.
So what are you getting at?
A truce. If you're willing to make love to me in my chosen location and I set my sister free, then you can have your life back.
Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV.
Don't touch that.